This is my RUGER new VAQUERO 45 ACP TALO edition. It is empty. I love this gun. It's one of my favorite guns. The look of it, the bird's head, that's why they call it bird's head. But you just can't beat it if you ask me. Not an everyday carry, it's a pretty hefty gun, but I've shot this one about 200 times already and haven't had one problem. It's just as smooth as can be. Oh, it might need a little cleaning, but it's a great gun. I love it. I wish I had the money to get more of them. From what I understand, there was only 300 of these in stainless and 45 ACP. Comment and correct me if I'm wrong. I think it was 300 in stainless and 300 in blue and 45 ACP only, and the rest in tallow editions, and the rest of them are 45 Colt, long Colt, whatever you want to call it, and they have different grips on them and things like that. I'm not sure the exact differences, but I know the grips are a big difference. But there she is, my baby. Just making a quick little video of her. This gun will never be sold, ever. I've seen other talos that have grips like this, and I just didn't like the finish on theirs as much as I do this one. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it tickled your fancy a little bit. I'm getting ready for a day of shooting. Thank you.